Tekst pierwszy.
Ready for the trip?
No, I haven't packed yet. I wanted to take my sports bag, but it isn't big enough.
How about Mum's suitcase? The one on wheels.
It's too elegant for me.
If you want, I can lend you my rucksack.
Are you sure? It's quite new.
No problem. I'll get it for you.
Great, I can start packing now.
And could I use your sports bag while you're away?
Sure.
Tekst drugi.
We are going to the cinema tonight. Would you like to join us, Natalie?
Tonight? Sorry, I'm busy.
Come on. Tom will be there too. We invited him yesterday when we met at the gym.
I'd love to see Tom, but I'm afraid I can't make it tonight. My grandma's arriving today, and I have to pick her up from the airport at 8 p.m.
Oh, I see.
Tekst trzeci.
Dad, our teacher asked us to bring something for children from poor countries in Africa.
Take some of your clothes. I'm sure you have some you can give to them.
Well, most of my clothes will be useless for poor children in Africa. I thought about sweets, but most of my friends will probably bring food. I want to give them something different. Some toys I used to play with.
Great idea.
Tekst czwarty.
Hello, Phil. I'm calling from Delta Sports Centre about your swimming class with Martin Sanders. I'm afraid this Tuesday he can't be here at 4 p.m. as usual. Can you start the class at 5 p.m? That's an hour later. Please let me know if it's okay with you.
Tekst piąty.
Hi, Lily. Buddy isn't feeling any better today. He hasn't eaten anything since last night. Please come home as soon as possible. We need to take him to the vet quickly. Call the clinic and ask if we can bring the dog this afternoon, will you?